using the face, opening the face of the bat, and accessing the gap as well. 10 runs in the last 2 deliveries. Another good over here.
He's got the bit between the teeth now, Malanta. Just guided. 2 men there. 2 men behind point. Too big a gap for that man. Through the eye of a needle.
Yeah, just trying to derail the concentration of the bowler as well, trying to pull out a switch hit and then aborting that shot at the very end and playing your conventional cricket. Milanta is just playing a very fine brand of fearless and creative cricket in the middle. Steep chase. Yeah, but they've done well so far. "13 runs of over number 9. Another productive one here for the Bolts. They're looking and sitting pretty at 90 for 1 after 9. This is a wonderful start, and that's a wonderful looking car as well. The Omora Jeku, the fastest growing brand in the world. We've had some umpteen rides in Nepal, smooth, seamless, and guess what? This is going to someone today after this final game. Who will be driving it around Nepal and this ground? Who will walk away with a beautiful Omora Jeku? What an innings this man has played. He looks strong, looks good. Reaches another 50. He got one in the very first game for the Bolts, and now in the final. The dugout stands up in admiration and adoration, and Milanta has been a picture of focus and concentration in the middle. He's got some bat on it, and it's enough to clear the field at long off. It's raining 6s here, and the Janakpur Bolts are looking very dangerous in the middle.
Sudurpaschim 6. Sent in to do this job, Mohsin. Not to mess around. They've got batters that they push down the order. They've sent him up the order to do exactly that.
Yeah, drags his shot. Yeah, ideally, he's been sent for the role as he rightly pointed out, HD. So far, he's done well.
Can't believe this, really. The Bolts have stumbled their way into this final. They've looked quite incredible today from about over 12 onwards. With the ball, they were put to the sword early on, but then they fought their way back. Now with the bat, those who lit up the competition in the opening few games and then went quiet, will they back again?
Oh, that's a poor delivery, and that's been put away as well. This is easy pickings for a man batting on his 50. Janakpur Bolts reached the 100-run mark as well, courtesy that 6. Yeah, and it's all going one way at the moment as the Bolts are taking full control of this game.
Wow, is that not close to a no ball? This is very, very tight, about waist height.
You're very lucky to get away with if you're a bowler. You can sense Dipendra Singh Airi also is feeling the heat. And accessing the gap as well. 10 runs in the last 2.